Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your username on the Snapchat application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the chat button and tap to your profile at the upper left corner of the screen. And you go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and you can find the second option, the username. And here just click to the change username button and just write another username, and if you don't, click to the next button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.